Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Apple Watch updates stuck on estimating time remaining, restart and update guide. Fix 1. Restart your Apple Watch and iPhone. Press and hold the side button on your Apple Watch and turn the watch off and then wait for around 30 seconds. Then restart your iPhone and turn the Apple Watch back on and try the update again. Fix 2. Delete the downloaded update file. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to General. From there, go to Storage and find the Watch OS update file. Delete it and download the update again. Fix 3. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap All Watches. Now select your watch and choose Unpair Apple Watch. And pair it again and install the update. Fix 4. Clear storage on Apple Watch. Open Settings on your Apple Watch, then go to General, from there go to Storage, then delete unused apps, music, podcasts, or photos, and make sure several GB of free space is available. Then restart the Apple Watch. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.